Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the third part of our lesson series in spoken Arabic from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. الدرس الثالث lesson 3. الدرس الثالث lesson 3. So do you know the difference between the following Arabic terms? واحد number 1 ما what ما what اثنان number 2 من who من who ثلاثة number 3 من from لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. من أنت من أنت من أنت من أنت who are you من أنت who are you من means who and أنت means you. So the English verb doesn't exist in Arabic. So من أنت who are you من أنت who are you. So if you are asking a single male person, you should say, Man anta. Man anta. Who are you? لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Man anti. Man anti. Man anti. Who are you? Man anti. Who are you? So if you are asking a single female person, you should say, Man anti. Anta for a male person, while anti is for a female person. Man anti, who are you? Man anti, who are you? Now the response. Ana nadira. Ana nadira. Ana nadira. I am nadira. Ana nadira. I am nadira. Man ant, who are you? Ana nadira. I am nadira. Man ant, who are you? Ana nadira. I am nadira. So ana means I, and nadira is a name of person. So the English verb am doesn't exist in Arabic. Man ant, ana nadira. Man ant, ana nadira. As-su'al, question. Man ant, al-jawab, answer. Ana nadira. As-su'al, question. Man ant, al-jawab, answer. Ana nadira. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. من هو? من هو؟ هو طالب. هو طالب. من هو? Who is he? هو طالب. He is a student. من هو? Who is he? هو طالب. He is a student. من هو? هو طالب. من هو؟ هو طالب. من هو? Who is he? هو طالب. He is a student. Remember, huwa means he in Arabic. So talib is student. So the English verb is doesn't exist in Arabic language. So man huwa, who is he? So man, who, and huwa means he. So is doesn't exist in Arabic language. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. As-su'al. Man huwa? Al-jawab. Huwa talib. السؤال من هو؟ الجواب هو طالب. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. من هي؟ هي طالبة. من هي؟ هي طالبة. من هي؟ Who is she? هي طالبة. She is a student. من هي? Who is she? هي طالبة. She is a student. Remember, if you are talking about a male person, you should use talib. Talib. Let's take for instance, in case you are a male person, if I ask you, man ant, who are you? Man ant, who are you? So you should respond saying, ana talib. Ana talib. I am a student. Ana talib. I am a student. And if you are a female person, you should respond saying, ana taliba. Ana taliba. Ana taliba. I am a student. I hope you understand the difference between talib and taliba. Talib is mudhakkar, masculine, while taliba is mu'annath, feminine. Talib, mudhakkar. Taliba, mu'annath. Talib, mudhakkar, is for a male person. Taliba is mu'annath, is for a female person. As-su'al. Man hiya? Al-jawab. Hiya taliba. As-su'al. Man hiya? Al-jawab. Hiya taliba. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. من أنا? أنت مدرس. من أنا؟ أنت مدرس. من أنا؟ Who am I? أنت مدرس. You are a teacher. من أنا? Who am I? أنت مدرس. You are a teacher. من أنا? So, من, who? أنا, I. أنت means you, representing a male person. And anti. Anti also means you, representing a female person. So mudarris means a male teacher. Mudarris, a male teacher. So what do you call a female teacher? Mudarrisa. If you are a male, you should say, ana mudarris. Ana mudarris. And if you are a female, you should say, ana mudarrisa. Ana mudarrisa. Man ana? Who am I? Anta mudarris. Anta mudarris. You are a teacher. As-su'al. Man ana? Al-jawab. Anta mudarris. As-su'al. Man ana? Al-jawab. Anta mudarris. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. من أنتم؟ نحن مدرسون. من أنتم؟ نحن مدرسون. من أنتم? Who are you? You should say man antum when you are asking a group of male persons. I repeat, man antum, who are you? You can only say this when you are asking a group of male persons about whom they are. Man antum, who are you? Nahnu mudarrisun. We are teachers. So mudarris is mufrad. Mufrad means singular. Mufrad means singular. Mufradun. Mufradun means singular. So mudarrisun is jamu. Mudarrisun, jamu. Jamu means plural. Mudarrisun is jamu, is the plural form of mudarris. Man antum, who are you? Nahnu mudarrisun. We are teachers. Nahnu mudarrisun. We are teachers. Man antum. Nahnu mudarrisun. Man antum. Nahnu mudarrisun. As-su'al. Man antum. Al-jawab. Nahnu mudarrisun. As-su'al. Man antum. Al-jawab. Nahnu mudarrisun. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Make sure to visit our online store to buy a copy of our ebooks, which comprises of PDF file and video clips via the link below, right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.